we use these plates. Same. Turn on the machine, connect the USB port, then COM setting, select the COM port, save. Click on offline. So your machine will be ideal. Input, enter parameters. Select the sample. We are using a brick, suppose brush. Select. Same. From here you can change tensile to compression. Round or flat, deformed or cylindrical, other. Select the graph type. Anyone. Load versus displacement, load versus time, displacement versus time, stress versus strain. Company name, reference, sample name, height, gauge length, sample weight 35, sample thickness 22. You can change this according to your sample. Enter, save. Now place the sample between the plates. Turn down the machine a little bit, just above touching the sample. Now press down. You can see as the sample breaks, your load increases, and here you can see it is written overload. Because this machine is of 30 kilonewton and the brick has capacity of more than 50 kilonewton, so the machine overloads. So you have to use a sample according to the load of the machine. Click on start. You can see the timer start running. As we are calculating for 20 seconds, press stop. This dialog box open. Compression, stiffness. You can see final weight, final thickness, everything is calculated automatically. Now enter calculate. As you press calculate, reduction, area, elongation, percentage, everything will be there. Click on save. Now click on report. Select single report. Select the test number. You can change your graph from here. Load versus displacement, load versus time, displacement versus time, stress versus strain, load versus elongation. As we are selecting the load versus elongation, click on save report. As our report is generated, then this dialog box open. Press exit. Click on machine ideal. Press exit. Now UTM report same. As you can see, test number 11, compression, flat load. Here we can see the report. And here is the graph. This one. This is for compression testing machine. You have to use a sample less than 30 kilonewton because this machine has the capacity of 30 kilonewton and above that it will overload. So our results may vary.